In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from QuickBooks to Xero. This process is designed to help you seamlessly move your financial data without losing any important information, ensuring a smooth transition between these two powerful accounting platforms. To start, we first need to open the Xero website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Xero website. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials. If you haven't yet created an account, you'll need to do so before proceeding with the transfer process. After you've signed in, take a look at the top menu bar on your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll want to find and click on the downward arrow. This will open up a drop-down menu that displays various options related to your files and data management in Xero. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Files. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to Xero's file management area where you can upload, organize, and manage your financial documents. In this file management section, look for the button that says Upload File. Clicking on this will open a dialog box that allows you to select the file you exported from QuickBooks. Make sure this file is readily available on your computer. It's typically a file that you've previously exported from QuickBooks in preparation for this transfer. Now, it's critical to ensure that the file format is compatible with Xero. Most commonly, you'll be dealing with CSV or Excel formats. If you're facing any issues, double-check the file format to make sure it aligns with Xero's supported formats. Once you've confirmed this, select the file from your computer and proceed to upload it. As the file uploads, Xero will guide you through some prompts on your screen. These prompts are essential to ensuring your data is imported correctly and aligned with your Xero configurations. Pay close attention to each step. You might be asked to map the fields in your file to the corresponding areas in Xero, so take your time in getting this right. Throughout this process, if you encounter any issues, remember that Xero's customer service is readily available to assist you. They can offer guidance or troubleshoot any problems you might face during the transfer. And there you have it. By following these steps and prompts, you'll successfully transfer all the necessary data from QuickBooks to Xero. This efficient transition allows you to continue managing your financial operations with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through this transfer process.